Hey guys, Bobby from Cigars.com here again. Today we're going to talk about cigar sickness and how to cure it. So you may be thinking, what is cigar sickness? Cigar sickness is when you may be smoking on an empty stomach, or you also may be smoking a cigar that's a bit too full-bodied in strength that your palate is just not ready for. Some symptoms of cigar sickness are you may feel a bit lightheaded, you may start to get some queasy, nauseousness, and you may just, start excessive sweating and other things that make you feel sick and just uncomfortable in general. Luckily, I'm here to guide you to how to cure that cigar sickness. So some things you may want to do is simply stop smoking. No one's going to judge you if you're starting to feel sick, so just lay the cigar down and don't worry about it until you feel better. Grab some fresh air, lay down, relax for a bit, grab some water, take a couple sips of that. And my personal favorite is to grab something sweet. You want to consume maybe a sugared beverage, maybe some chocolate, or anything else that contains sugar, as this is something that is very important in curing cigar sickness. It coats your palate and it helps trick your brain into thinking that nauseousness is not there. So it's important to remember that everyone responds to nicotine in different ways. So if you're starting to feel cigar sickness, hopefully these tips were helpful on helping you alleviate that. Please check out some more videos on the Cigars.com YouTube page, and thanks again for watching.